Hello people and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and craziest road encounters caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start this episode off with a crazy road rage between a biker and some angry neighbors. Check this one out.
Liar, we got you on camera.
First gear.
Slow down, dude, please. Yeah.
First gear, yeah.
Say please? No.
First gear. You can come over to my house if you want, we can all have a chat.
Let's talk right here. Why are you speeding your kids here, dude?
Yeah? They could stay in the driveway. Is the street
neighborhood, dude.
Is the street a playground?
It's a neighborhood.
Yeah, I know.
Slow
I know what it is. I know what it is. This isn't a playground.
Slow down.
This ain't a playground.
Slow down. It's a neighborhood.
Whatever, man.
Whatever, get out.
Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever, man.
Said that if and when they take it out, they'll do a biopsy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost just got rear-ended.
In this video, we have a police officer who doesn't do his job properly. A Mercedes driver casually runs a red light right before his very eyes, and he did absolutely nothing about it.
Looking further down the road. I'm looking for big things like that. Like, I feel sorry for the bird, but if I hit it, it's...
No, mate, no! No!
Idiot!
Wow!
If you don't fasten your belongings properly in your vehicle, you might end up without them, just like this driver ended up without his mattress. Careless driver blew a stop sign, but that's not all. He caused an accident, and to make things even worse, he fled the scene like lightning. Camera caught a street race between two drivers on the road, and the outcome could have been way worse than it already was. The driver in front suddenly slammed on his brake and he nearly got rear-ended. In this video, the camera got angry at the Tesla driver on his left side because they wouldn't let another driver in, hence the high beams. Pay close attention at this crazy driver on the camera's right side. He didn't want to give up, not until he managed to somehow get in front of him. It took him quite a while, but he was really persistent. Check this one out.
What are you doing? Light out? No. There's not enough room, Liddy. Weird ass experience.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you truly like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because we will definitely appreciate that. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and watch out on these crazy roads.